Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a very quick snack egg sandwich wrap. So I have my 2 large eggs in here with some black pepper and some salt to taste, and I have a bit of oil on the pan heating up. Just need it to heat up. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna pour in the egg. So this is a egg and mushroom, and then I'm just going to incorporate in my spring onions, my bell's pepper, and then my mushrooms. And then I'm just going to add some chia seeds. Try and turn it over. So, hello, my name is Ayesha, and you've tuned into my channel, Ayesha's Unique Cuisine. So on this platform, we cook cuisines around the world. Very healthy recipes for you to try, like this one. So please give me a thumbs up for like. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Aisha's Unique Cuisine, Aisha's Unique Cuisine, a place where your cooking is a Akyemor. Aisha's Unique Cuisine, Aisha's Unique Cuisine, a place where your cooking is a Akyemor. Aisha's Unique Cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. So now I have my wrap here, and I'm just gonna put in my lettuces. And then I'm just gonna add in some cucumber. In fact, you know what? Let me add the egg that we just fried. Add the egg, and then just add our cucumber to it. Incorporating some mayo. And then we're gonna wrap it up. So we're gonna just wrap it up. Because it's got a lot of stuff in there, it's gonna be a bit tricky to wrap up. Yeah. So now we're gonna toast the outer a bit. Guys, this is a quick egg wrap sandwich with some chilled milk. So let's just slice this into pieces and see how it looks like. So gently. This is how our wrap looks like, and this is the inside of our wrap. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up for like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And don't forget to turn on your bell icon after subscription and share the video. Thank you. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. A place where your cooking is a cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Bye, y'all.